Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. Today, Instagram did an oopsie. Alright, so it appears Instagram accidentally rolled out a feature to a bunch of people and they really only wanted to test it with a small group of people, so they claim. Now this feature was horizontal scrolling. So, you're typically used to scrolling through your Instagram feed vertically. But this completely changed the way people used Instagram for a couple minutes, and they were basically forced to scroll horizontally, which is a bit bizarre, especially considering how Instagram's always been really a vertical scrolling app. Now, some of us tech enthusiasts actually saw this coming. Last week, actually, Instagram app got updated, and within it, if you had an iPhone 10, 10s, or a 10R, it actually looked different. Like they squished some stuff around and it didn't look right, but people couldn't quite put their finger on it. So some of us actually had an idea that something was about to change, and this is what they decided to do this week. So as you can see here, instead of scrolling down to see new posts, you just had to scroll sideways. Like on Tinder, many people were not happy. Now they came out and said, due to a bug, some users saw a change to the way their feed appears today. We quickly fixed the issue and the feed is back to normal. We apologize for any confusion. Sorry about that, tweeted Adam Masari. This was supposed to be a very small test, but we went broader than we anticipated. Basically, someone did an oopsie and set it to a bunch of people instead of, maybe instead of 0.1% of users, they set it to 1% or something like that, and it drastically changed the number of people that they thought would get it. I didn't actually witness this firsthand. I actually learned about it through one of my friends. She messaged me early this morning, but I was asleep because I slept in, and she's like, hey, Instagram's broken, looks completely different, blah, blah, blah. And then by the time I got the message, I looked at Instagram, and to me, it would look normal. I was like, what are you talking about? She's like, oh, it's changed back. And I'm like, okay. So I took a look here, and everyone on the internet freaked out. So here's what it looks like, or looked like for the time being. So that's how you scroll through your feed, or at least that's how they envisioned it. You scroll down for comments, which in my opinion actually makes a little bit of sense, but just scrolling to the side, it just, I don't know, it doesn't feel like Instagram. And Adam here said, sorry about that. This was supposed to be a very small test, but we went broader than we anticipated. And then someone said, also, while you're at it, please roll back to chronological feeds. And he gave this weird emoji. So by the way, about the chronological feeds, the way to get that right now is to basically unfollow almost everyone. And if you've got like under 50 people that you follow, by the time you check it every day, it's going to be in order because, well, there's not that many things to look at. Just a pro tip, or you could just delete the app altogether. But unfortunately, I still have mine because I have some business accounts tied to it. And trust me, deleting a business page and account from Facebook and Instagram account is a pain in the ass, but that's a whole story for a different video. So let me know down below if you guys saw this. I think it was only messed up for about 30 minutes for most people. But if you guys saw this, let me know down below. Let me know what you think about it. It's hard to say if Instagram's actually going to ever roll this out now because it's got such a bad impression on everyone because they just threw it out of nowhere. But let me know down below what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.